Everybody, Shade and Beaver, we're outside of Christina's house, but we're gonna freak out her roommate. Imagine that you are waking up to a chainsaw and this guy's standing there. I think I would pee my pants. I'm pretty sure she's gonna pee her pants. Yeah, I think I did too. Like, I don't even know if I trust you right now. This is a little freak. Oh my gosh. Okay, seriously freaking out right now. Oh my gosh. She's naked! I'm sorry! Woohoo! She's naked! She's naked! Aww. She's still hiding under her blanket, so. Woo! Thank you. Christina would have a place to live after that. Thank you. Okay, go back to sleep. I love you.